Yeah.
Hey guys, so this is the fourth video on this NetGear 2000 Mbps PowerLine adapter. So excuse the background, this is garage like my working space, so it's not always very well maintained, and I'm getting, it's not the perfect angle for video because of my car and a small garage. But anyway, so this is the second pair. We have seen in the earlier video that I've attached the the other one to my router, and this one I'm going to put uh, in the power line, so that to extend the Ethernet in my garage. So I could see if even it's designed such a way that even if I try to do it here, I'm not sure whether I'll retain the other plug for use, but let me try that. See, I don't think anything will go in the top one, right? So there's no point. It anyway has a pass-through electrical connection, right? Electrical outlet. So I'll rather put it across like this. Okay, locked in the place. Uh, I'll attach this network cable to one of the outlet. I don't know whether you can see it. I think I did. So when it's working, if I attach another electrical device, computer or something to this, then the lights will glow up. All right, so if you like this video, please click like and subscribe, and let me know if you need if you have some other questions. Thank you for watching.